Are you still using your real phone number on dating apps like Tinder? One data breach and strangers have your number forever. It takes literally 90 seconds to fix the issue. Let me show you how to get a virtual number and verify your Tinder account step by step. You need to pick the right virtual number provider. And that's exactly where Calilio comes in. Calilio doesn't just protect your privacy, it also simplifies the entire process of receiving OTPs for platforms like Tinder. Private number assigned only to you. Fast OTP delivery. Numbers from over 100 countries. Available on iOS, Android, and your browser. Head to Calilio.com and create your account. If you face any issues or feel confused during the sign-up process, simply click the I button and watch the video, How to Sign Up for Calilio. Once you're inside, you can choose from over 100 virtual phone numbers from around the world. After signing up, select a UK mobile number. It gives you the best chance of successful OTP delivery. Submit the necessary documents for verification and complete the payment process to activate your UK virtual phone number. Now your number is live and ready to use. Once you have your UK number from Calilio, follow these steps. Open the Tinder app. Start the sign-up process. When Tinder asks for your phone number, select the UK country code and enter your Calilio virtual number. Tap Next. Tinder will send a verification code straight to your number. Head back to your Calilio dashboard. The OTP will be sitting right there in your inbox. Enter the code in Tinder and tap Next. You're verified. Now complete your profile. Add your name and photos and allow location access. And that's it! Your Tinder account is set up privately and securely without ever using your real phone number. And that's how you verify Tinder without using your real phone number. Click the link in the description to get started today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.